Okay, here's an unboxing of the motorcycle auxiliary LED light from Kewig. Comes neatly packaged. Sturdy little box. A pretty nice user manual. Really nice packaging. Some various adapters for the mounts. There's the second mount. More hardware. It has a universal wiring harness. It connects directly to your battery. Nice little switch. Weatherproof. Got more mounting hardware. I think this is for the switch. Lots of little adapters to fit the switch on your handlebars. Lots of zip ties. Another hex key. What's this? Anaerobic adhesive. I have no idea what this is. Maybe it's it looks like a thread locker or something. And the lights. They're kind of heavy, sturdy. Feels like decent quality. Screw-on connectors with O-rings, so they should be watertight. Next I'm gonna hook them up to a power supply and we'll see what they do. Okay, so I got them turned on now. I'm gonna turn off the lights. They seem really bright. They have a yellow low beam. And you flip the switch, you get a bright white high beam. And back to low beam. Then you have a flash to pass. If you are in high beam mode, and you press the flash to pass, it's going to go down to a low beam. You have a flashing mode if you double click the switch. And then you have 3 modes to cycle between. This is probably the most illegal one of them all. This is so freaking illegal.